we introduce the Smart Safety Solutions MUSAGO. Looking at the types of construction accidents by risk factors, the 40% of accidents occur in temporary facilities like earth membrane, copper barrier, formwork, etc. MUSAGO Guard is a smart safety equipment that has high-precision inclinometer sensor to identify the safety of the facilities and predict the risk of accidents. If a sudden change in slope or a dangerous angle is detected, it can be reinforced in advance to prevent large-scale collapse. Built-in high-capacity battery and LTE wireless communication technology eliminate the need for complex electrical and telecommunications work for installation, providing more than 6 months of operation once installed in a facility, and easy maintenance. A variety of site-optimized brackets are available for easy installation, regardless of construction type. It also has an IP68 dustproof and waterproof rating, enabling stable operation even in barren construction environments. Safety managers can monitor the risk of temporary facilities in real time through a MUSAGO platform, and if an accident risk is detected, they immediately notify the workers around them to evacuate to minimize accident damage. Use the MUSAGO Guard to monitor and manage subtle changes in facilities caused by the external environment to prevent collapse accidents and create a safe work environment.